Hey ladies, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily give your eye an instant lift. Take a piece of tape and place it on the outer corner of your eye right at the bottom lash line and then angle it up towards your eyebrow. The tape will act as a barrier to prevent your eyeshadows from being placed too far outside of your eye, and most importantly it'll give an instant eye lift. So here I'm going in with my first color. It's called Havana. And I'm placing it right in the crease and slightly above in a windshield wiper motion. Now I'm going in with the next color. This is called 𝗵𝗏, and I'm just placing that right in the outer corner of my eye to give a little bit of dimension. And I'm popping it right there, right above the tape. And the next color I'm using is called pomegranate. And I'm placing that right over top of the 𝗵𝗏 to give a little bit more depth. And now I'm blending out with the fluffy side of the eyeshadow brush. And my next color is As You Wish, and I'm using my finger just to place that all over my lid. And then I'm going to go in over top of that with a pretty color called Venus, and this is a pretty purple shimmer. And then I'm just blending a little bit more. Now I'm going in with Drift, and this is a pretty vanilla shade that I pop underneath of my eyebrow and in the far inner corners to make my eyes look more wide open and to lift that brow bone. Now for the big reveal, we're going to peel off this tape and look how clean that eyeshadow line is. We're going to sweep up a little bit with some highlighter just to clean up where that tape was. I added a little mascara and we're all done. Thanks for watching.